there, everybody. I am working on another project and I'm getting ready to paint this clock yet again. Say hey, honey.
Hey, honey.
This clock right here. I think this will be, time number 3. So, and you guys, I've already taken off the little mechanism. Let me see this little part right here in the middle. What you call this, baby? The hands. And it's so funny because I watched my husband's video. Something's flying around. I watched my husband's video, so I knew how to take it off. Since, ironically enough, he had just did a video the other day about taking off the clock mechanism. And I don't even know if he realized that the mechanism on this clock didn't work. Again, I purchased it because I got it at a good deal because the mechanism was broken, but I just wanted it because the clock was pretty. So I'm going to insert the video of what the clock looked like originally before I painted it the first time. So I'll insert that here if you want to check that out. And then of course that shows the after I painted it. And when I painted it, I just really didn't, it was okay. I still wasn't feeling it, but I just decided to leave it be. So now I'm going to paint it again, and hopefully I'm going to feel better about what I do this time. And this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to be using this Rust-Oleum metallic paint. And I've never used this kind before, so I hope it really looks like the cat looks. But I picked that up from Walmart. I'm using Mod Podge. I've had this Mod Podge forever, so I'm going to use it. This glitter I've had for a while too. I actually did a video where I glittered the inside of a lampshade, and I'll insert that video here as well too, just in case you want to check that out. And then I picked up this extra fine silver glitter from Tuesday Morning, and it was $4.49. So these are the things that I'm going to use. Of course, I'm going to have my little brush to do my little application. So again, I'm going to paint it now, and hopefully I will, at the end results will hopefully be better than what they were the last time. So this is the first coat, and I'm going to let it dry, and then I'll come back and do another coat. I failed to mention that before I started painting, I did take a damp cloth and wipe it down to get all of the dust and any type of debris or dust that was on it to get it off. And I've intentionally tried to leave the tips with just a little bit of that bronzy look. At least that's the plan for right now. And honestly, I really don't know what I want to do. I will figure it out as I'm doing it. Trying to make sure I watch the way the wind is blowing, so this paint won't be blowing towards my camera lens. This is one of those little souffle cups that you get when you go to restaurants that may have, you can put extra stuff in it like ketchup or syrup or whatever. I'm using this to I poured the Mod Podge in, and now I'm getting ready to put glitter in it and mix it up so I can start painting. Painting with glitter. And I'm going to start with the silver because silver is going to be the color that I use the most. And I want to work my way out using the silver. start with using the gold. And again, I'm going to start by using it, making it really thick. I told you I've had this Mod Podge a long time. This particular Mod Podge is the gloss luster finish, so when it dries with the sheen to it. I like that too. Go really, I'm going to apply it really thick too, because I'm going to use it on the Roman numerals and also the clock hands. So I really kind of want it to stand out. This gold glitter is a thicker glitter than the silver. The silver glitter is really fine. The gold glitter is not as fine. Originally my plans were to leave the tips of the clock kind of like that bronzy color and then put the gold glitter on the end. I'm not liking the way that's looking for one reason: that gold glitter is really chunky, so it's not as fine as the silver glitter, and I'm trying to use what I have. So I had to bring it back out, and I'm gonna spray the tips, get those colored or painted the silver too, and hopefully not get it on the glitter that I've already put on the clock. You guys, this is all the Mod Podge I have. Oh my goodness. And I'm going to, I have basically that's it, y'all. Oof. I'm gonna put some more gold, silver, glitter in here, and that last little bit, that's a little bit too, kind of thick, in hopes to have enough to at least paint the tips of the clock. So we'll see. This is it, because I'm not getting ready to go buy anymore today, and I'm gonna finish this today. So start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. That's what I be saying, y'all. So here goes. Oh my goodness. Whew. Okay, and since I brought the clock back out here, I'm not taking it back in. Go grab my hat, because it's hot out here. Let's go do this, y'all. Let's go do this. Go get her done. Oh my goodness. What I have learned is that I really prefer the fine glitter over the chunky glitter. Yeah, I think you get better coverage with the fine glitter. Ooh-wee. Let's see. Just need enough to go on these ends. And prayerfully we'll make it all the way around. Now I am what you call scraping the bowl, honey. Ooh-wee. Open up this here little. I'm probably wasting more than I am getting it on. I know that's terrible when you got to squeeze the glue out the brush. Ain't that terrible?